Lockdown, Lockdown 2.0, 40 days of staying home. In my opinion, this is one of the best things that is happening to us indirectly. PM Modi's government has taken this step for lockdown for many reasons. But ultimate beneficiary or a takeaway for me and you is going to be immunity building. This virus has no cure, no vaccine, no medications right now. So only thing we can do is build on the immunity. This is a game changer here. We have to understand that. So there are a lot of ways that we are doing this. Let me explain how. Most of us are sleeping well. Most of us are exercising because we never had the time. Most of us are spending time with our family, with the loved ones. Most of us are getting enough rest. There is less deadlines. There's no rat race, no greed right now. That all is decreasing the stress. As far as the foods go, I keep talking about turmeric. I keep talking about things that Ayurveda and a lot of Indian science has been propagating, like ghee. I keep talking about adaptogens like ashwagandha, tulsi. These all are so important to have. They're very easily available. It's not something that's very difficult to find. Then there are compounds in green tea which are now coming in light that they are inhibiting the viral replication. Quercetin, which is in apples, onions, now that is also again inhibiting the viral replication, so stopping the virus from multiplying. So these are some things that you can have. Then there are vitamins and minerals, of course. There's a whole list of them. Melatonin is coming out to be one of the best antioxidants that you can have right now. Then elderberry. Elderberry is a long time ancient herb that has been used in India for a very long time to prevent flu. And it's, if you actually see, I do have a scientific name for it. If you see that elderberry is in a lot of Ayurvedic compounds, it's called Sambucus nigra. One of the most advantageous things about this lockdown is the decrease in pollution. So I request you all to keep building on your immunity directly, indirectly, however you can, because that's our only weapon, shield against this pandemic. Stay home, stay safe, and Jai Hind.